Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to find a job. Okay, so this is today's topic. Now, if you're really looking for a job, what I would suggest is that start your journey with newspapers. Yes, now there are a couple of newspapers where you can find a lot of openings related to job. The first paper that I would recommend you to see is Times of India. Now, Times of India. Now every Wednesday you can find that Times of India has a lot of advertisements related to openings in organization. And the second paper that I recommend you is Indian Express. Now Indian Express announces openings on Thursday. Yes, and if you're really looking to make a job in government sector, then I would recommend you go for Employment News. Yes, now employment news, you don't find this paper regularly. It's a weekly paper. It's published once in a week. So start your journey with newspapers: Times of India Wednesday, Indian Express Thursday, and Employment News weekly. So this is the first way of finding a job. Okay, the second technique that I recommend to you is that visit websites of companies. Now whenever any openings comes in a company, the company first put it on their website. In the website there is something which is known as career section, and if you go to the career section of the website, you can find that lot of openings. In fact, many of my students, they are wise enough, cunning enough, they go to the company's website, just go to the career section and they upload their resume and they get a call, and many a times it get converted into a job. So these are two sources that I recommend. Okay, now today is Wednesday, so let me take you to Times of India's website and let us check whether are there really any openings. Okay, so this is the e-paper of Times of India which I've accessed online, and this is page number 7. And if I take you to the page number 7, there are 6 openings: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 openings in today's Times of India. Let me zoom in so that we can get lot of inputs. So out of these 6 openings, I find that this opening by Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited to be interesting. It appeals to me. They are requiring professionals, and now Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited company, it's a Navratna company, it's a government sector company. So anyway, you're going to become a central government employee. They are looking for a management trainee. Yes, management trainee in the areas of HR, marketing and corporate communication. This is the breakup of the jobs that they have given, including the reservation. In HR, you can find 6 openings. In marketing, you can find 3 openings. In communication, you can find 2 openings. Yes. And below this they have given general information. What they are mentioning, that if you require detailed information related to qualification, experience, age limit, emoluments, visit www.visakhsteel.com. okay, now let me take you to visakhsteel.com company's website. So this is the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited company, Vizag Steel, and this is their website, and you can find career section. Now my sincere advice to all my students is start visiting company's website. If you are looking for the job, visit the career section. Now let me click on this link, career section. If I click on this link, career section, see recruitment, you can find all the openings which are there in the company is advertised in one particular page. Now as far as the advertisements of Times of India is concerned, I'll take you to serial number 4. This is the link. If I click on this link, a window will pop up, and in this window you can find all the information related to the advertisement. Okay, so now this is the breakup of the jobs, reservations, eligibility criteria. They are looking for MBAs. Yes, they are looking for expert people. Again, a fresher can apply. There is an age limit. I would suggest you to read all this thing, reservation policy and all. Let me take you to their salary section. Okay, this is emoluments. Okay, so selected candidates will be offered a basic pay of 20,600 per month. Now when I say basic pay, don't think that salary is 20,000. Here they have provided a pay band. The pay band is 20,600 to 46,500. Again, the salary is not 46,500. If you calculate DA, if you calculate HRA, if you calculate all the perks and incentives, the net salary would be around 80,000. So an 80,000 job is advertised in Times of India. Okay, so this is how companies advertise it. Okay, so now let me take you to my Word folder. So the two quick ways that I suggest you to find job is visit newspapers, and start visiting the websites of companies career section, where you can find lot of openings. So these are two easy ways of finding a job. Thank you so much for watching Fuller Lives.